Yes. Serial number 1.
मुकेश कुमार माधुभाई.
Custody. Okay. 1, 2, and 4 in custody.
Yes.
Okay.
नैनाबेन परेशभाई.
3. Okay. Okay. आज पुलिस से कस्टडी से तो नहीं आएंगे?
नहीं.
Okay. What about argument?
वकील श्री बीएम पुरोहित.
मेरे यहाँ का यस यस लिखो मिस्टर सो एंड सो मिस्टर जॉन.
वकील श्री एमएम दीवान.
To accused number, you are for all the accused? Okay.
वकील श्री जेडे मलिक.
Mr. BM Prohit. None for.
वकील श्री जीके पंड्या.
है? None for. 1 मिनट ऐसे लिखो, है ही नहीं वो. Prayer लिख दो. Mr. DM Prohit, learned counsel for accused number 1, not present. Accused number 1, not present. Mr. Jade Malik. Mr. MM Diwan for accused number 2.
एमएम दीवान 3.
Not present. Not present. Yeah. Mr. MM Diwan, learned counsel for defendant, not present. Accused number 3. Mr. G.K. Pandya, not present. Mr. G.K. Pandya, yes. For accused number 4. Next. It's present. Accused number 1, 2, and 4. Accused number 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 2, and 4. Not produced from JC. Produced from jail. Accused number 4, 3. Accused number 3 is present. Police. हाँ लिखा. बोलो मीना सर, आर्ग्यूमेंट करने के लिए. ओके ओके. लर्न इट. पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. अरे डीजीपी नहीं, पीपी लिखो. क्रिमिनल में अपियर हो. लर्न इट पीपी 6 टाइम. 6. तो ये 6 वाला नहीं, वैसा वाला हो जाएगा. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट 6 टाइम. टू आर्ग्यू द मैटर. आर्ग्यू GUE. हल्की सी ऐसी कर लो. आर्ग्यू द मैटर. ARGUE. Argue the matter. Full stop. Time is granted. Now to come upon 4th March. ज्यादा बैटरी 14 दिन से. Fourth of March. Next. एसेंस जो डेजिग्नेशन लिख रहा हूँ। आनंद। नेक्स्ट
इरशाद सिराज भाई। सुफियान अहमद भाई।
वारंट का स्टेटस
एपेलेशन गैराज रेफरेंस इसमें एपन किया है के एनबीडब्ल्यू लेवल्स
स्टेटस 272 of 2021।
सीआरए बच्चे बोलते रही।
नहीं, क्या स्टेटस क्या है? बच क्या आया नहीं आया?
जी सर।
स्टेटस क्या है इसका?
नहीं आया नहीं होना वारंट लेकिन निकालने
ફક્ત એક દિવસ બસ ભૂલાઈ એ 50,000 રૂપિયા આપી ગયેલા છે એ પરિસ્થિતિની જવાબદારી હતો એના બાળકો સાથે સાથે ઘર છોડી નીકળી ગયેલા છે બહુ ખરાબ પરિસ્થિતિ છે આ કરજણ બાજુ દેવા ગતા રહેતા છે મસ્જિદની અંદર બહુ ખરાબ પરિસ્થિતિ પણ એના સગાને મેં ગઈકાલ રાત્રે વાત કરી 15 દિવસનો સમય આપવા વિનંતી હું બોલાય
और नहीं बुलाओगे तो अगली बार भी यही कहेंगे, तो वारंट तो निकाले देते हैं ना रिकॉर्ड पे।
બોલાય લે 15 દિવસ તો બોલાય લે
लिखना मिस्टर MD Makwan, learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. AU Pathan, learned counsel for the respondents. Respondent number 1, DGP Clerk, Mr. NP Mida, learned APP, learned PP for the state. Full stop. NBW against the appellant has already been issued. Has already been issued. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that he will produce the appellant. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that he will produce the appellant on the next date of hearing, right? He will produce the appellant on the next date of hearing. Full stop. He seeks that he will produce the appellant on the next date of hearing. Next date of hearing. Full stop. He seeks 15 days time for the same. He seeks 15 days time for the same. Full stop. Time is granted. Now to come upon April 22। ठीक है वकील साहब, लेके भी आ जाना और हियरिंग के लिए भी तैयार रहना।
22
नेक्स्ट ओके,
It's a basic case now. जी मतीन भाई हसन भाई, वकील ए के मलिक, मोहम्मद अजीज जाफर भाई,
ओके चलो
सेम पोजीशन एप्लाई के आवी में तो बाकी एनबीडब्ल्यू में कर लीजिए, गैराजर रहता है 40।
कोई बात नहीं, देख लेते हैं 12
यस
12:30 के लिए रख रहा हूँ। 12:30
जी सर।
नेक्स्ट।
वकील से बीएल भाग्यविधाता, चेतनाबेन मनसुख भाई,
अल्लाह का मैं विश्वास
असलम भाई बाबू भाई,
રિમાન્ડ કરીને મેટર એસ પાર્ટી નીચે ચાલે પછી રિમાન્ડ કરીને નીચે ક્રોસ થઈ લખવાનો મેળવવાનું બાદ અહીંયાથી નામદાર કોર્ટે રિમાન્ડ કરેલી મેટર ક્રોસ
I got the point. You could not receive the copy of the cross exam.
આવતી બધું કરવું
Here. कब से कब मिल जाएंगे आपको?
10-15 દિવસ કાઢવા
ये ले जाओ, ये पटावाले के साथ फोटो कॉपी करा लो इसकी, अभी जो भी चाहिए इरा रखो, करवा दो। पटावाला साथ भेज दो। हाँ
पंकज भाई
दे दो।
हाय
Yes. लिखना है इसमें CRA 201 of 2020 नाम मिस्टर BL भाग्य विधाता। मिस्टर MD मकवान। NBW है इसमें।
ना
लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पार्टी लिखो। लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पार्टी बराबर है प्रेजेंस से भी एडवोकेट्स कर दो। लर्नेड एडवोकेट्स फॉर द पार्टी। सीक टाइम टू आर्ग्यू द मैटर। Police argue the matter. Police time is granted. Not to come upon 24th April 22 April 22
बस सर। जितेंद्र कुमार जयंती भाई, भाई वकील से केएल ख्रिस्ती, विपिन चंद्र उमेद भाई, विपिन चंद्र उमेद भाई, वकील से MS पटेल, वकील से MS पटेल, सुनाम भाई वकील साहब
257
257
257 ओके। क्या इसमें है अदर 257 एक मिस्टर KL क्रिस्टी। Mr. M.S. Patel. M.S. Patel. क्या हुआ 5 नंबर में है?
नहीं सर, एपेलेट अकेले का है अभी।
ठीक।
इसके एडवोकेट
ठीक है।
एपेलेट रिस्पोंडेंट
22 सर।
कोई एडवोकेट नहीं आया।
22 सर।
यस।
ठीक है, वो तो उनकी सबकी लगनी।
22 तारीख।
नेक्स्ट 6 नंबर।
भावेश भाई, नवनीत भाई।
ये आप कोड लिस्ट किस तरह से निकालते हो?
ठीक है।
एक मिनट ये।
हाँ।
ये सीक्वेंस इसमें ही आता है या आप बनाते हो सीक्वेंस?
नहीं, इसमें क्या है?
इसमें ही आता है।
बस
ओके। ठीक।
डाउनलोड करते हैं तो यही सीक्वेंस में आता है। पहले जो टारगेटेड होता है उसमें बनाते हैं, बाकी अपील होता है।
ओके।
जी यस।
नेक्स्ट 328 of 2022.
अमरीश भाई, किरीट भाई।
हम्म। ओके। ठीक। प्रेजेंस मार्क कर। मिस्टर एजे बारोट, एक दो दिन अपने पास खोज लिस्ट रखो जिसमें नाम देख के फटाफट टाइप कर लो।
एपेलेट
आप
11,000।
मिस्टर आर.डी. टाफी, 22 चार।
22,000 भाई।
नेक्स्ट 158।
प्रेमल भाई, हरीश भाई। प्रीतिश रमेश भाई सोनी।
यस।
वकील जी अज्जल
है।
चावड़ा।
यस। यस, यू आर सीकिंग एट द मोमेंट।
तो मैंने exemption report किया।
ओके, बोलो इसमें क्या कहना है वकील साहब आप?
मैंने एक और इसके बाद की।
हाँ तो कर लो, स्टेनो को बुला लो।
जिस
नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट के बोल रहे हो, चॉकलेट सीआरपीसी दे दो। The short issue is whether 313 statement is required, more particularly when accused is participating in the proceeding. बताओ।
So there's no નિવેદન. એ દિવસે exemption report આપો. એ દિવસે કંટ્રોલના નિવેદન માટે હતું. એ દિવસે જજમેન્ટ પ્રોડ્યુસ થયું છે અને આપણે સેવા નથી. ઉલટ તપાસ થઈ ગયા અત્યારે ઉલટ મારું એક્સપાર્ટી જજમેન્ટનો
ट्रायल कोर्ट का रिकॉर्ड पूरा क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन हुआ है वकील का। यस बोलो। You are for respondent or not? तो आर्ग्यूमेंट
एफएस लिया है।
नहीं लिया है।
જજમેન્ટના આધારે કોઈ ફર્સ્ટ કોઈ એક્ટિવ પ્રેઝન્ટ થાય એક્સરસાઇઝના પ્રિલિમિનરી ક્વેશ્ચન કરવામાં આવે છે એ બાબતને જજમેન્ટના રિલેશનથી રેફરમાં નથી.
समन्स केस में एफएस कब जरूरी है और कब जरूरी नहीं है, ये बताओ. फाइल कहाँ आपकी? ये देख लो, ये कोर्ट की फाइल, ज्यादा बड़ा इश्यू नहीं है. इश्यू केवल इतना है, मैटर वाज लिस्टेड फॉर द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ 313. Accused preferred application for exemption. It was granted on the same day judgment was pronounced. In these fact and circumstances, when accused was participating in the proceeding, whether his statement under 313 is necessary or not. इतना reply दे दो. Well, this is the issue. If not necessary, then why? So necessary, then देखो. Next.
What is the Z and Sheikh? विनोद भाई, जयपाल भाई. संदीप नगीन भाई.
Click. Present none for the appellant. $200 of 2023. Present none for the appellant. Mr. Your BM Tucker. Your name? Mr. H. A. Chawla. Learned counsel for the respondent. In the interest of justice. Adjourned to. $22.
22.
22.
हरिकृष्ण भैलाल भाई. What is the M Sheikh?
Here. Please.
सुनील भाई, रमेश भाई.
Present. For appellant, none. You are for appellant. Mr. M. Sheikh. Yes, Patran. Mr. N.J. Mathwan. Adjournment application. Yes. Learned counsel for the appellant has filed an application with exhibit number so and so. Appellant has filed an application. An application with exhibit number. कितना है exhibit? Exhibit number. Video VIDA.
Number 16.
E I. Exhibit 16. 16 for seeking adjournment. Exhibit का I नहीं आएगा, डॉट कर दो. 16 for seeking adjournment. Full stop, adjournment is granted. Now to come upon 24th of April.
22 Okay. वकील जी जीएस पंचाल, वकील जी डीए जोशी, अजीत कुमार गोर्धन भाई, जिग्नेश रजनीकांत,
है कोई? लिखो इस. Next. 341 of 2023. Present none for the party.
341 पेज.
Present none for the party. In the interest of justice, adjourned to 22.
वकील जी असर काजी, आरिफ पे गुलाम नबी,
In the interest of justice, adjourned. The matter is adjourned.
साहिन बेन जाकिर भाई,
In the interest of justice, the matter is adjourned.
वकील जी एमडी मकवाणा,
MATTER matter is adjourned. ED.
મૂળ ફરિયાદી તરફ અને આરોપનું વોરંટ ચાલે. આ મૂળ એફઆઈઆરનું વોરંટ ચાલે.
सब में वारंट चल रहे हैं, आप जिसमें भी अपियर हो रहे हो.
ફરિયાદી તો આમાં ફરિયાદી મૂળ ફરિયાદી
डिपोजिट करवा માટે છે 1 લાખ રૂપિયા.
આમાં ફરિયાદી
1 લાખ રૂપિયાનો ચેક છે, હજુ ડિપોઝિટ કરી નથી.
फरियादी
કોઈ નથી, એપેલેટ રિસ્પોન્ડન્ટ કોઈ નથી.
संजीवनी फाइनेंस प्रोप्राइटर नहीं जाए. पैसे जमा करने
હા સર, ડિપોઝિટ નહીં રાખો જમા. 1 લાખ રૂપિયાનો ચેક છે,
नहीं जमा कराए पैसे.
નહીં કરી.
फिर बोलो डिफॉल्ट के लिए.
वकील जी असर काजी,
हाँ ऑर्डर डिपॉजिट का. डिपॉजिट का होगा. डिपॉजिट का होगा 20%. कितना आता है 20%?
ये सब 1 लाख रुपया की चेक है, 20,000 रुपीज उसको भरना है.
The order was passed on 28th October 2024. Since then, the amount has not been deposited. So why the bail should not be cancelled and NBW issued? Original Faryad.
Original Faryad.
So respondent here.
Alpha respondent.
Okay. ठीक है. लिखना none for appellant. Appellant. Mr. So and so. Learned counsel for the respondent. इनका नाम वकील साहब का. ठीक है. हाँ. Appellant has not complied with the order dated 28/10/2024. Has not complied. ED. The order dated 28/10/2024. 10. 28/10. Comma whereby he was directed whereby इकट्ठा लिखेंगे whereby इकट्ठा he was directed to deposit 20% of the check amount डबल एम नहीं आएगा सिंगल एम amount full stop issue bailable warrant of rupees 1,000 1,000 against appellant full stop now to come upon by start
वकील जी एच दीवान भावेश भाई रमन भाई नट्टू भाई रामा भाई ठाकुर
कितने कराने का
10 लाख का चाहिए
ओके ठीक
50% जमा कराए
है अपीलांट
नट्टू भाई रामा भाई नट्टू भाई
बाकी पैसे क्यों नहीं जमा कराए काका हैं भरवाना है और बाकी इसके बचे हुए और ऐसा नहीं है कुछ चक्कर कंप्लीट भरा हुआ है ठीक है लिखो अपीलांट प्रेजेंट अपीलांट इन पर्सन रेस्पोंडेंट के लिए कौन है
रेस्पोंडेंट के लिए नहीं कोई आया है
ओके नन फॉर रेस्पोंडेंट नोटिस हो गया
नोटिस हो गया
बच गया नोटिस देखो the order dated कौन सी डेट का ऑर्डर
इसको मैंने जो उर्दू का क्या था पावर पैटर्न है वो दूसरे का ऐसा से है
ओके तो उसको फिर the order dated हाँ डिपॉजिट का ऑर्डर
Flat of guidelines.
6th January 2025 has not been complied fully. Complied fully. Full stop. Up. Full stop. Full stop.
पूर्ण
Appellant stated इज नहीं बोला मैंने, जितना बोला उतना लिख लो दोस्त। स्टेटेड अन्य अंग्रेज सुसाइड कर लेगा कोई रोज काम दे। दैट he will deposit a sum of rupees 50,000 today itself. Sum of rupees 50,000 today itself. Itself. बाकी पैसे कब जमा कराओगे काका? अरे दर महीने थोड़ी है। नहीं, अगली डेट तक सारे कंप्लीट करो। प्रयत्न नहीं, फिर जेल में जाओगे तो। प्रयत्न करोगे तो, प्रयत्न नहीं करना। द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट has to be deposited, yeah, shall be deposited on or before the next date of hearing. The remaining amount shall be deposited. The remaining an amount shall be deposited on or before the next date of hearing. Shall be deposited on or before की स्पेलिंग ठीक करो। Next date of hearing now to come upon 22nd of April। 22/4 है, उससे पहले सारे पैसे जमा करा देना। आज 50,000 जमा करा दो, ठीक। नेक्स्ट
एमडी मकान
ये जमीन
जमीन।
सिस्टम को बुला लो।
कल्पेश भाई कल्पेश भाई
આપ સામે રાખવા આવે છે હું રિપોર્ટ આપું છું પોતાનું વિડ્રો કરે છે એટલે મૂળ એડવોકેટ દિલ્હી ના છે એમને એવી સૂચના આપે છે આપણે ખાલી આવવાના છે તો એમાં વિડ્રો આપો।
लिखो CRMA 124 of 2000
124 पर 25
Mr. MD Makwan, learned counsel for the applicant. Report exhibit number 6 दे दो फटाफट। MD Makwan, learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. NP Meena, learned PP for the state. Learned counsel for the applicant has filed an application with exhibit number so and so for seeking adjournment. दे दो application. Applicant has filed an application for seeking adjournment. With exhibit application with exhibit number ऊपर एप्लीकेशन पूरा एग्जीक्यूट नंबर 6 for seeking adjournment. Full stop. Adjournment is granted. Now to come upon 19th.
Exhibit 6.
मत बोलो उनका तो पूछ लो आप नेक्स्ट CRM है 147
Okay, see, Asfi Malik. मोहसिन इलियास भाई, मोहसिन इलियास भाई, महमूद अली जुल्फुद्दीन,
कैंसिल
इक्विटी कंपनी जो जमा करवाई थी विड्रॉ करने के लिए रिस्पोंडेंट को नोटिस कर दिया व्हाट्सएप के जरिए।
कितने जमा कराइए है कोई लिख दो
147.25
ठीक है तो रोज कम फिर जनरल in the interest of justice adjourned to 24th April. Adjourned to adjourned ED adjourned to 24th April.
चॉइस सर। वकील सी जेड़े मलिक,
Yes. है पुलिस पेपर्स कितने 25 Upper. क्या स्टेटस है पहले गुना का? पेंडिंग। Yes. Yeah.
See, applicant under section 4 of PROCEEDINGS. Everybody the provision that has been confiscated from open sector. Register is very applicant. And the ever is or we can even guess it court by the Canadian website.
Yeah. Like, CRM number 166 of 166 of 2025. The present application has been referred under section 439 of CRPC within bracket 483 of BNSS for grant of bail in connection with FIR being first CR number 11215007250041 of 2025, registered at police station Borsad Rural, District Anand for the offence punishable under section 65E of the Prohibition Act. Full stop. The notice of the application was issued to the prosecution, and in pursuance thereto, the prosecution has put its appearance through Mr. So and so, learned public prosecutor. Full stop. He has also filed the affidavit of I with a exhibit number so and so, and also produce the police papers. Full stop. Next where I have heard the learned counsel for the party, learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the present applicant has nothing to do with the commission of the offence, and she has been falsely implicated. He further submitted that as per the case of the prosecution, 25 liters of desi wine has been confiscated from the possession of the present applicant. He further submitted that the muddamal has already been recovered and nothing is to be recovered and discovered from today. The applicant is in judicial custody since when in judicial custody?
30 days. 3 days, 30 days.
13th February 2024 or 25. Full stop. He further submitted that no purpose would be served to confine the applicant in the judicial custody, as the investigation from the present applicant is already over. Full stop. And therefore, the present applicant is required to be enlarged on regular bail. Next para. On the other hand, learned public prosecutor vehemently opposed the bail application on the ground that the present applicant is actively involved in the sale and purchase of the liquor. Full stop. He further submitted that the applicant has the criminal history and one FIR was also registered against her in the year 2020. Therefore, the present bail application deserved to be rejected. Next, where I have considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and peruse the report. Perusal of the report transpires that the FIR was lodged on 12th February 2020 on the allegations by one Bharat Bhai Bhoga Bhai, head constable, that while he was on patrolling duty along with other police officials, he got the secret information that one lady, no, secret information, they saw that one lady is carrying two bottles of plastic, bottle देख लेना डब्बा लिखा हुआ है, डोल, bucket, and when the police party saw her, she tried to return back. Therefore, on the suspicion, they stopped her, and in the presence of two punch witnesses, the two bucket of desi wine measuring 25 liters were recovered from the possession of the applicant. Full stop. Further, the sample also taken. Full stop. And कहाँ से वो तभी अरेस्ट की? Then and there she was arrested.
Or take this serious.
And on the next day, she was arrested. Full stop. Perusal of the police papers and the affidavit of IO transfers that the present applicant was also involved in FIR being first CR number double 1 500 72 00076 of 2020, registered at police station so and so for the offences punishable under section 65 within bracket A bracket for clause within bracket A of Prohibition Act. Full stop. The said as per learned public prosecutor, the said case is still pending. Full stop. Perusal of the record further transpires that Muddamal has already been recovered from the present applicant, and as on today, nothing is to be recovered and discovered from the present applicant. The investigation from the present applicant is over and she is in judicial custody since 13th February 2025. Full stop. The applicant being a lady, there and also considering the fact that the investigation from the present applicant is over, therefore no purpose would be served to keep the applicant behind the bar for indefinite period, as the trial of the case may take time. Therefore, the present bail application reserved to be allowed on the following terms and conditions. Surety of 50,000 bail bond, 50,000 surety, बाकी other conditions. ठीक? Next. Better अभी दो तीन. Yes, next.
Okay, CMD Mapana. Limitation.
Limitation regarding okay. कितने डिले? 8 days. Okay.
अमित कुमार शना भाई.
सर्विस हो गई?
Yes, sir. WhatsApp से तो बजाऊंगा पर.
व्हाट्सएप की बजावनी का प्रूफ?
Yes, well. एक सेकंड. वही इसका मोबाइल नंबर का WhatsApp से.
लिखना है. CRMA 167 of 2025. Present Mr. So and so, Mr. SS Vora. None for respondent number 1. Mr. NP Mida, learned public prosecutor for respondent number 2. The present application has been preferred under Section 5 of the Limitation Act for seeking condonation of delay in preferring the appeal against the order dated 8 January 25, 2025, passed by learned 4th Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Additional Judicial Magistrate First Class Anand in criminal case number 5477 of 2022, titled as Sri Ram Transport Finance Company Limited versus Nasir Khan Pathan, whereby the applicant was convicted and sentenced. Full stop. The notice of the application was issued to the respondents. Full stop. As per the report of the report, किसकी report है? कौन हो गया अगर मैं
Assistant police constable.
अच्छा
Anand police. Anand down police.
okay. As per report of the report received from the police station, received from the police station at exhibit at exhibit so and so, comma,
Exhibit 4.
exhibit 4, comma, the notice says duly served, has been duly served
Yes.
through WhatsApp. Full stop. Despite service, none appeared on behalf of the respondent number 1. However, Respondent number 2 put his appearance through public prosecutor. Next paragraph. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the applicant has been convicted and sentenced to undergo the imprisonment of 1 year, simple imprisonment of 1 year, and further he was directed कितना बढ़तर कितना directed to pay
6 lakh है,
the compensation of amount equal to the check amount. क्या रीजन था डिले का? लर्नेड काउंसिल, हाँ यस ओके
इसको बताऊंगा, इससे ही पता चला 14 फरवरी को उसने सरेंडर किया।
ओके. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the proceeding was conducted ex parte and the accused was not aware about the passing of the order, full stop. He further submitted when the accused came to know that the court has passed the order against him and he has been convicted and sentenced, full stop. Convicted and sentenced, comma, he surrendered before the court on 14th February 2024 and since then he is in judicial custody, full stop. He further submitted that since the applicant was not aware about the final judgment and order, therefore he could not prefer the appeal within the period of limitation. Therefore, a delay of 8 days has occasioned in preferring the appeal. Full stop. He further submitted that the appellant is an illiterate person and he is not aware about the limitation. Therefore, the delay may be condoned. Full stop. बोलो आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन है? Okay. Learned public prosecutor vehemently opposed the application on the ground that there is no reason to condone the delay. However, the delay may be condoned subject to heavy cost to be deposited with DLSA. Next paragraph. I have considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. Perusal of the record transpires that the learned fourth additional judicial magistrate first class district Anand has passed the order in criminal case number 5477 of 2022 on 8th January 2024. Full stop. The appeal is required to be filed within the period of 30 days from the date of the order. Therefore, appeal is required to be filed on or before 6th February 2025. However, the appeal could not be preferred within limitation and the application for condonation of delay was filed on 15th February 2024-25. Full stop. The applicant is in judicial custody since 14th February 2025. Full stop. The proceedings were conducted in the case ex parte, full stop, as per the say of the applicant, comma, the applicant was not aware, and when he came to know that the warrant has been issued against him, comma, he surrendered before the court on 14th February 2025, and since then he is in judicial custody. Full stop. Next para. It is settled preposition of the law that the delay of any length can be condoned if it is properly explained and sufficient cause has been shown. Full stop. It is also settled preposition of law that to condone the delay is the discretionary power, and discretionary power must be used judiciously nor arbitrarily. Full stop. Considering the period of delay, considering the length of delay and the reason stated in the application, comma, the present application is required to be allowed, full stop. At this juncture, it would be profitable to refer the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Land Acquisition Collector J&K versus Masammat Katiji, reported in so and so, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has laid down the guideline for considering the application for condonation of delay. वो 6-7 गाइडलाइन ले लें, ठीक है. Thus, in view of the settled preposition of law and law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Land Acquisition Collector J&K within bracket Supra, the present application deserved to be allowed, and accordingly I pass the following order. The application is allowed, delay is condoned, no direct to court, pronounced in the open court. Next.
Okay, CMD Makwan.
कंडोन कर दी आपकी डिले, ठीक. ओके, इसमें क्या है? BNS दिखाना. Yes. बेल एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट किए तो प्रोविजन उसमें 483 अब लागू पड़ेगा। जुबनाइल के केस में जुबनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड है रिजेक्टेड द एप्लीकेशन, then 482 83 is applicable or section 100 or juvenile justice act.
જુવેનાઇલ જસ્ટિસ એક્ટ 101 મુજબ અપીલ બી આવે અને આ બી આવે. અગાઉ સાહેબ વખત ઓફ ધ રેકોર્ડ તપાસ કરીને દાખલ કરવી જોઈએ, નીચેના જુવેનાઇલ્સની નથી. અગાઉ સાહેબ કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન મેટર થઈ ગઈ ને, કારણ અત્યાર સુધી થયું નથી.
Appeal will lie.
ક્રિમિનલ અપીલ જ આવે.
Appeal will lie. Appeal will lie. Yes, appeal will lie. 483 will not lie.
એટલે સાહેબ થયું નથી ને આજ દિન સુધી, એટલે તપાસ કરીને જ આ રીતે દાખલ.
To my knowledge, appeal will lie. Section 100 juvenile justice.
101
101.
અપીલ જ આવે.
Yes.
અપીલ જ. સાહેબ
Juvenile justice act.
Yes.
कल के लिए रख लेते हैं, आप भी देख लेना, हम भी देख लेंगे, ठीक है।
ક્રિમિનલ અપીલ જ આવે છે. મોસ્ટ ઓનલી એમાં સાહેબ ઓફ ધ રેકોર્ડ તપાસ કરી અને પૂછી અને કરીને
ક્લર્ક
અપીલ જ આવે. 101 જ આવે. પણ એ કઈ થોડું અલાઉ નહીં, અંદર એન્ટ્રી નહીં પડે ને એ બધું આવે. કાલે રાખો સાહેબ.
ठीक है, कल रखते हैं। See whether it is maintained. Tomorrow. Yes. 19. Next.
વકીલ શ્રી જેવી ઠાકોર.
कहाँ नहीं है? Okay. ठीक है, कर ये टाइप कर।
વકીલ શ્રી એમબી મકવાણા. વકીલ શ્રી વીઆર ભટ્ટ. કપિલ કુમાર કિરીટભાઈ.
Yes. What is the issue involving you? What is the ground for revision?
एक्सिस बैंक में નામદાર ચીફ કોર્ટે સાહેબ આપણે વગર એક્સિસ બેંકની ઓર્ડર કરેલો છે એની અગેન્સ્ટમાં રિવિઝન અરજી કરેલી છે સાહેબ. એમાં જે એકાઉન્ટમાંથી પૈસા ટ્રાન્સફરનો ઓર્ડર કરેલો છે સાહેબ, એ સાહેબ ઘણી કોર્ટો એ કરેલો છે, એટલે સાહેબ એ પોસિબલ નથી, એટલા માટે અને અમને સાંભળે નથી સાહેબ પાર્ટી તરીકે એની કેસ પણ કરેલો છે.
और 51 की एप्लीकेशन थी.
हाँ.
Where is the order?
એક નંબર લિસ્ટ ઓફ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ પછી એક નંબર 1, 2 ને 3 ઉપર 1, 2 ઉપર અરજી અને પુસ્તક.
ये फ्लैट एक बोला है
બસ એ વાળે.
Who is for Axis Bank? You are? You are for Axis Bank? How your right is affected by the order.
અમને પાર્ટી તરીકે સાંભળે જ નથી અને જે ઓર્ડર ચેલેન્જ કરેલો છે સાહેબ
How your right is affected?
એક્ટિવ બેંકના ખાતામાં
Money is of complainant. It was transferred from other bank in with your bank. What court has said? That money be returned. How you are affected? You are the trustee. Your position is of trustee. Court has passed the order, you give back the money. How your right is affected? And where is the requirement to hear you? Where is the requirement? Prosecution has been heard. At the most, who can be heard? Those who are maintaining account with you, from whose account the money has been deposited. How the bank is affected?
એક્ટિવ બેંકના ખાતામાંથી પૈસા ટ્રાન્સફર
Axis Bank के खाते में तो you are the banker, you are trustee. When the account holder has no objection, what objection you have?
જે ખાતામાંથી પૈસા ટ્રાન્સફર કર્યાનો ઓર્ડર છે સાહેબ એ જ ખાતામાંથી અન્ય કોર્ટોના પણ ઓર્ડર કરેલા છે સાહેબ એટલા માટે
बराबर बात है. तो फिर how you are affected? Whether that account holder has challenged?
બેલેન્સ ઓછું છે સાહેબ કોર્ટના ઓર્ડર કરતા
तो उससे लो अकाउंट वाले से.
કોર્ટનો ઓર્ડર હોય એટલે સાહેબ અમારે તો એપ્લાય કરવું જ પડે એટલા માટે સાહેબ અમારે રિવિઝન કરવી પડે
कहाँ स्टेटमेंट कहाँ लगाया आपने?
જોઈ લઉં સાહેબ લગાવી દઉં
मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. कोर्ट को जरूरत नहीं है. How your right is affected?
એક એડજર્નમેન્ટ આપો ને સાહેબ પછી જોયું
Where you have stated in your pleading that the whatever amount the order has been passed, the lesser amount is there. In which para you have stated? So you are the bank. You are institution. You are big organization. In which para you have stated? So
એક એડજર્નમેન્ટ માટે રિક્વેસ્ટ કરું સાહેબ
लिखना. Presence marker.
SU only please.
A small issue is there. Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner. ठीक. Presence marker.
MB Mokwana.
Your name?
Thank you.
Mr. MP. Learned counsel for respondent number 2.
Yes.
Mr. Meena, learned deputy for
NK Shah.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner seeks time to argue the matter. Full stop. Last opportunity is granted. Last opportunity is granted. Opportunity. TUNITY. NITY. Opportunity is granted to argue the matter. Granted ka G is small. Is granted to argue the matter. Full stop. Now to come upon कल के लिए रख लें.
બની શકે સાહેબ નેક્સ્ટમાં કોણ બચી સર એક વીકનો ટાઈમ આપો સર બીકોઝ રિસ્પોન્ડન્ટના પૈસા તો 2 વર્ષ
स्टे है
25 साल પછી આવે બરાબર
नहीं स्टे इज देयर
સર પૈસા બી રિફંડ
कोर्ट का ऑर्डर भी कंप्लाई नहीं कर रहे रिवीजन में स्टे है क्या इसमें
कोर्ट भी रखा है सर क्योंकि रिफंड नहीं किया बैलेंस नहीं है ऐसा बोले
what action you have taken against the account holder
बैंक मैनेजर જોડે ચર્ચા કરી
3rd February
થર્ડ કરોડ જી સર અરે થર્ડ માર્ચ સર
sorry 3rd March
વકીલ કેસ સા વિશાલભાઈ નજીરભાઈ વકીલ એકે મલિક સોહાનાબેન વિશાલભાઈ
CRPC 127 तो 127 तो फैमिली कोर्ट में जाएगी दोस्त अब यहाँ कहाँ से आ गए यार
તાલુકા
तो हाँ तो तालुका में भी तो बन गया फैमिली कोर्ट यहाँ कहाँ जुरिडिक्शन रहा सीज टू एग्जिस्ट नोटिफिकेशन है फैमिली कोर्ट का मंगाओ क्यों रखा हुआ है यहाँ कौन से तालुका का
પુરસદ
बोरसद बोरसद का क्लस्टर हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे क्लस्टर हेडक्वार्टर लाओ लाओ नोटिफिकेशन
મંગાવો
वापस कर रहे हैं इसे फैमिली कोर्ट में
ફેમિલી કોર્ટમાં નોટિફિકેશન
फैमिली कोर्ट का नोटिफिकेशन हुआ है तालुका वाला वो लेके आओ।
સર્ટિફિકેટ વકીલ એમબી મકવાણા જીતેન્દ્રભાઈ પઢિયાર
ये भी एक्सिस बैंक की सेम
એક્સિસ બેંક
પાર્ટી ઇન પર્સન જે એક્સેપ્ટ છે જો સર્વિસ કરવાની બાકી હોય તો
જીતેન્દ્રભાઈ
वकील साहब आपने क्या किया जिसकी गर्दन पकड़नी थी उसकी नहीं पकड़ी सबसे आसान गर्दन उसी की थी जिसको पैसे लेने थे उसकी पकड़ ली हैं अकाउंट होल्डर से बोलो ना पैसा जमा कर इसमें निकाल के लेके चला गया
કોઈ ખોટી decision થઈ નથી એફઆઈઆર પણ નથી મારી કે આપણે એને એક્સેપ્ટ તરીકે સર્વેને ઇન્ફોર્મ ના કરી
लीगल रेमेडी नहीं बैंक के पास में कुछ भी है कोई रेमेडी नहीं लीगल रेमेडी
ઇન્ફોર્મન્સ થયા પાર્ટી
लीगल रेमेडी नहीं है कुछ भी है एक्सिस बैंक ना
એક્સિસ બેંક
अच्छा वो व्हाट्सएप से सर्विस हुई थी वो कौन सा बैंक था एक्सिस ही था ना
હા એ
दिखाना जरा कौन सा था वो अभी होगा एक अभी जिसमें ऑर्डर किया था कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिले
કન્ડિશન ડીલે વાળો તો
एक है ना ना
वो तो કન્ડિશન ડીલે વાળો
अच्छा श्रीराम
શ્રીરામ ફાઇનાન્સ
श्रीराम
हाँ,
ट्रांसपोर्ट
finance.
फाइनेंस
Finance. બેંક
ओके
થર્ડ માર્ચ રાખવા વિનંતી છે તપાસ
लिखना
દોલભાઈ રિવિઝન 52/24
पहले का कॉपी कर लेना 3rd March ठीक है प्रेजेंस नन फॉर रेस्पोंडेंट नोटिस सर्व हो गए नन फॉर रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1 नोटिस सर्व हुए या नहीं?
हो गया।
अच्छा, लिखना नोटिस नीचे भाई, ये तो प्रेजेंस के बाद ही आएगा ना। नोटिस हैज बीन ड्यूली सर्व्ड
रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 2।
अपॉन रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 2।
हाँ 2 है सर इस
तो ऊपर 2 ही कर,
एक में
2 कर लेना।
57
2 has been duly served upon respondent number 2 video exhibit number
एग्जीक्यूट डाला है सर।
डालो।
हाँ
हाँ has been duly served video exhibit
एग्जीक्यूट 5
exhibit 5 exhibit 5 full stop learned counsel for the petitioner single T आएगा TIO 6 टाइम जी कैपिटल क्यों बनाते हो ग्रांटेड का हमेशा? 3 मार्च 2025 पूरा लिखो ना, 3 मार्च के लिए रख लिया। वो उसमें जो एक रखा था पेंडिंग, बोलो वकील साहब, देख लिए पेपर आर्ग्यूमेंट के लिए? स्टेनो को बुलाता है। यस बोलो स्टेनो।
ब्रैकेट वो आरोपी हाजिरी की है।
नहीं आरोपी कब हाजिर नहीं रहा?
वकील जी के पंड्या।
आपका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड कर लें फिर, जरूरी है एफएस रिकॉर्ड करना है?
27 मार्च को
हाजिर नहीं रहता, कहीं उसके वारंट हुए? हाजिर नहीं रहता, वकील अपीयर हो रहा है, वकील साहब, और उसकी एग्जाम्पशन हो रही है हर डेट पे, तो आप कैसे कह रहे हो हाजिर नहीं रहता? एग्जाम्पशन किसी डेट पे रिजेक्ट हुई और वारंट इश्यू हुए, कहाँ निकाला बताओ, कौन सी डेट पे निकला? हाँ तो उसके जब ये ट्रायल चला उसमें कुछ हुआ, वारंट निकला, he was presented by lawyer, yes or no? Then आपका वकालतनामा रिकॉर्ड में है? Oh, presence माफ कर दो. The present appeal has been preferred. Under section 374 of CRPC against the judgment and order dated 15th April 2023, passed by learned 5th Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate in CC number 6505 of 2019, whereby the appellant herein was sentenced, convicted and sentenced to undergo imprisonment of 1 year, simple imprisonment of 1 year, and further directed to pay a sum of rupees 6 lakhs as a compensation, failing which he shall undergo a further imprisonment of 6 months within bracket simple imprisonment. Police for being aggrieved by the judgment dated. The notice of the appeal was issued to the respondent, and in pursuant thereto, the respondent has put his appearance through Mr. Vora, Mr. Vora, Mr. H.R. Vora, learned counsel for the original complainant. Full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. The main grievance of the learned counsel for the appellant oblique original accused before the learned trial court is that the statement of the accused was not recorded under section 313 of CRPC. After the cross-examination of the complainant was over, full stop, he further submitted that the appellant within bracket accused preferred the application through his lawyer with a exhibit 34 for seeking the exemption, full stop, on 15/4/2023. The said application was allowed. However, on the very same day, without recording the statement of the accused under section 313, comma, the learned judge, the learned additional chief judicial magistrate Anand has passed the impugned order. Full stop. He further submitted when the appellant was appearing in the proceedings, either in person or through his counsel, on each and every date, comma, his statement under section 313 is required to be mandatorily recorded. However, this opportunity was not given. This opportunity was not given to the appellant within bracket accused to explain his defense against the incriminating material came on record. Full stop. He further submitted that the order is against the law. Therefore, the same is required to be set aside. Next para. Mr. H.R. Vora, learned advocate, appearing on behalf of the respondent oblique original complainant, fairly considered that in the present fact and circumstances, the statement of accused is required to be recorded under section 313 of CRPC, but the same was not recorded. Full stop. He further submitted that he has no objection if the matter is demanded by. I am recording your no objection. Okay. He further submitted that he has no objection is the matter is demanded by for recording the statement of accused under 313 of CRPC and for further trial as per procedure, law and procedure. Next where I have considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and in view of the no objections from the learned counsel for the respondent within bracket original complainant, comma, the present appeal it deserved to be allowed, and accordingly I pass the following order. The impugned judgment dated so and so, passed by Mr. So and so, is quest and set aside. Full stop. The matter is remanded by to commence the proceeding from the stage of recording the statement under section 313 of CRPC. Full stop. It is expected from the learned trial court that learned trial court shall expedite the matter. Full stop. Pronounce in the open court on so and so. A copy of this order we sent to learned trial court for doing the needful. For taking necessary steps. Pronounce in the open court on so and so. तो उसी कोई कोर्ट को ही जाएगा. That time designation तो judgment and set हम्म। कहाँ है वो वकील साहब, बुलाओ।
वकील जी केस सा विशाल भाई, नजीर भाई। सोहाना बेन विशाल भाई, वकील जी के मलिक।
जी दिखा दो इन्हें वकील साहब। फैमिली कोर्ट एक्ट भेज दें और लिखो। ऑर्डर बिलो एग्जिबिट 1 इन CRMA नंबर क्या है?
सिविल रिवीजन
नहीं, कितना नंबर?
22/24 22/24
22/24
20
सीरियल नंबर
serial number 20
सीरियल नंबर 20 ओके। प्रेजेंट मिस्टर KS sir, learned counsel for the revision है
revision
revision learned for petitioner Mr. so and so, for respondent the present application the present petition has been preferred under section 127 under section 397 of CRPC. Revision petition has been preferred again 397 of CRPC against the order dated कब का ऑर्डर है? 2/3/24 का। एक मिनट इसमें लीगल पोजीशन देख लेना, क्योंकि ये ऑर्डर पहला है, मैं रख रहा हूँ इसे आज आज नहीं कुछ ऑर्डर पास करना, ठीक है, क्योंकि नोटिफिकेशन इसके बाद का है, कल के लिए रखते हैं, ठीक है, कल के लिए 19 मैं भी देख लेता हूँ, आप भी देख लेना। लिखना है 22/2024
सिविल रिवीजन 22/24
ठीक है, आप जाइए टाइप कर लेंगे। मिस्टर के कल के लिए रख 19 मार्च
एग्जीक्यूट 7 से और एडजॉर्नमेंट एप्लीकेशन दिया है।
इसमें,
हाँ इसमें
ठीक। आर्टिस्ट किसके लिए?
ये एपेलेट
इसमें लर्निंग काउंसिल फॉर द, इसमें लिखो एडवोकेट कर दो, लर्निंग एडवोकेट फॉर द petitioner has filed an application with exhibit 7 for seeking adjournment for seeking adjournment full stop. Adjournment is granted 19th February. Session case
भरतभाई अमराभाई, रामाभाई मालदे भूतिया,
तुरंत जाके हुआ है
हम्म,
और इसके बाद दोनों को वारंट निकला है, वारंट अभी तक मस्त आई
ओ,
जमीन का नोटिस की
क्या आता है लिख के?
जमीन जानी नोटिस पास किया।
क्या कर रही है आपकी पुलिस, नहीं बजाती? लिखिए सेशन केस नंबर
कैसी फीस
83 ऑफ 21। 2009 का है ये तो। कितने, दो अक्यूज हैं?
हाँ बेस का
ओके। अक्यूज नंबर 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are absent. Full stop. NBW against the accused. NBWs as कर दो, have already been issued. Full stop. Issue. Press NBW. True. SP Anand returnable on April 24th. ओके, क्या हुआ उसका नोटिस का भी? फुल स्टॉप लिखो, फुल स्टॉप, इसके आगे 25 नोटिस टू श्योरिटी, sureties be also issued, be also issued, be also issued for the next date of year to be served through SP Anand. Now to come up on 24th April 2025 for status of service.
एहसानगंज यूसुफखान प्रखंड।
किस चीज के लिए हाजिर है? ओके, ओके, लिखना है। अक्यूज, accused number 1 and 2. Full stop. Accused number 1 and 2 are present. Issue witness summons. किसको करना, कौन से विटनेस को? Witness summons to witness number 9. Witness summons. Issue witness summons. 2. Witness number 9. Mentioned in the charge sheet. Mentioned. Mentioned in the charge. Comma. Returnable on. Job is charged. Yes. Okay. Vice charge.
Vice chapter. Vice chapter. Motion we
Now
have
to come upon vice. For PE. Framing of charge. Okay.
Motion we have. Mohiddin,
लिखो.
Hasan bhai, Mustafa bhai,
Okay.
Nawab Khan. Take two charges. Present. Number 3 election.
इनका फिर मिस्टर जी के पंड्या. स्पेशल पीपी ऊपर मिस्टर जी के पंड्या. पंड्या लर्निंग स्पेशल पीपी. मिस्टर MD Mac1. Learning accused for accused number 1 to 4. और सभी के लिए नहीं, आप सबके लिए अपियर हो ना. तो accused number 1 to 4. Full stop. Accused number 1, 2 and 4 are present.
And
full stop. Accused number 3
and 5.
5.
4, 5. Total 5.
1 to 5 कर लेना. फिर 4 and 5. तो सभी के लिए आप. ओके. Accused number 3 is not produced from JC. Full stop. Now to come up for framing of charges on fourth March. Next,
राजेश भाई डायरी 4 तारीख
yes.
Report of the accused. On the criminal.
Done. किस चीज के लिए?
Evidence prosecution.
चार्ज फ्रेम हो गया. कोई विटनेस बुलाया अभी तो? मेडिकल ऑफिसर क्यों? आई विटनेस को बुलाओ. वो तो हो जाएगा बाद में भी वकील साहब, वो कहीं नहीं भागना है. इज द विटनेस ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. वो लाएगा आपके सामने रख देगा. हाँ, कंप्लेनेंट को बुलाओ.
विटनेस ठीक
यस. मिस्टर, हाउ मेनी अक्यूज आर देयर? 5. Mr. P.D. Joshi. P.D. Joshi, learned advocate for accused number 125. Yes. 125. Accused are present?
No, no.
Okay. Learned accused are not present. Learned advocate for the accused has filed an application with exhibit 12. For has filed an application with exhibit application for exemption by exhibit number so and so. For exemption with exhibit number 12. Full stop. Exemption is granted for today only. Is granted for today only. Full stop. Perusal of the record transpires. Records transpire. TIRE. P transpire that the charges have already been framed. Full stop. Issue witness summons. Witness summons 2. Witness number 1. कहाँ पे charge? Witness number 1 mentioned in the charge sheet. Comma. Returnable on 24th of April.
नंबर 1
Next. RCA number.
वकील से बीसी ठक्कर, वकील सीएम पटेल, बसो 21 ठक्कर।
हाँ, एक मिनट। अभी देखो ये आरसीए यहाँ पे आई और ये फिर मिसलेनियस एप्लीकेशन चल पड़ी।
हाँ।
और फिर ये आरसीए यहाँ पे आई।
ये जो टारगेटेड है सर, हाँ वो पहले भी था अपने मोदी।
ओके।
हाँ, क्रिमिनल में भी ऐसा हुआ सर, ये वाला टारगेटेड है तो सेशंस यहाँ पे आ गया, बाकी के सेशंस यहाँ पे आ गए
ओके।
मिसलेनियस के बाद।
करेक्ट।
लेकिन इसलिए जो टारगेट है ना वो पहले आ जाए
Okay.
इसलिए सर।
यस आरसीए। ओके।
वो जो टाइप के ऑफिस है इससे को मत सही है इस नॉट होते उनके लाइफ RCA 173 ऑफिस ऑफ लाइफ
What was the suit about?
for the cause of documental theft.
Okay. And what was the order? Allowed or rejected? Suit was rejected. Okay. Who is for the other side? Okay.
I already submitted my document.
Your sir, your written argument is nothing but
For the sake of
only change of heading. In place of appeal, it is written argument. Yeah.
I've read it to argue.
Yes. Okay. When the lawyer would come, opposite party lawyer. He is coming on particular day or what?
I think that. Yeah.
Yes, please ask, so that I can fix the same dates, the matter can be heard. And when your appeal is listed? Another appeal today? Two dates, sir. Okay, okay,
That is not okay.
okay, right.
It's a doctor.
Please come and find out. Yes. MSCM
जी सर
2024 की पड़ी है। MSCM 2024 की।
हाँ सर
क्यों?
और इसमें मैंने आज मंगाई थी इसमें सीरियल नंबर 5 और सीरियल नंबर 11 इस दोनों का ऑर्डर बनाया हुआ है बाकी नासिक ब्रांच में भेजी हुई अभी आई नहीं
5 नंबर 11 नंबर।
11 जी सर
ओके। हाँ सर,
ये
ठीक। सीरियल नंबर 12।
वकील सी आरटी शाह, वकील आरबी ठाकुर, एमसी बारैया।
कहाँ वाली?
चल रहा है इधर
195 of 2018। कौन से मैटर कह रहे थे वकील साहब, कनेक्टेड है इसके साथ?
ये आरसीएम सीरियल नंबर 17 पर
7।
वो मैंने निकाल दिया सर
ठीक।
इसके साथ
इस लिख लें। RCA नंबर 195 of 2019 18। वन 195 18। प्रजनन प्रजनन for the parties, for the party, full stop, in the interest of justice, adjourned to 24th of April। adjourned ED तक। ठीक। 24th of April 4 आदमी। ठीक। 4 24 से। नेक्स्ट।
वकील सी के एस शुक्ला, वकील सी पीपी पटेल।
यस।
પક્ષાની તકરાર સુધી કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ માટે ગયા હતા આઉટ ઓફ કેનેડા પક્ષાની વિલ અઠવાડિયા પછી આવી જાય અઠવાડિયા પછી આવે છે
लिखो। सेवेंटी सिक्स ऑफ 19। 76। of 19. Presence mark called what is that? Present Mr. K.K. Sukla, learned counsel for the appellant. Head by head. Appellant. Mr. Patel. Mr. P.P. Patel. Learned counsel for the respondent. Full stop. Learned counsel for the parties submitted that there is a possibility of compromise in the present matter. For the parties submitted that there is a possibility of compromise in the present matter. There is a possibility of compromise in the present matter. Full stop. They seek adjournment. For compromise. Full stop. कितना टाइम चाहिए बोलो? Okay. At the joint request. Request. You. Comma. Adjourned. Third March. Adjourned. To. Third March. Now to come up on 3rd March for the status of compromise. For status of compromise. Third March. Yes. Next.
What is N. K. Patel?
Yes. Have you contacted the 5th March? Okay. Okay. You come prepared, but I want a specific argument issue wise. For example, issue number 1, this is your pleading of opposite party. This is documentary evidence, this is oral evidence, and this is preposition of law on that. Not in every issue. I want to hear on issue wise. Yes. RCA 221 of 17. You want 5th March? Mr. V.C. Thakkar. Mr. V.C. Thakkar. Learned counsel for the appellant. And Mr. C.M. Patel is the opposite counsel. Okay. C.M. Patel. List. At the joint request. Adjourned to 5th March for argument. 5th March. Okay. For argument. यही कॉपी कर लो. डेट चेंज कर दो नीचे, इधर भी, इधर 5th मार्च 3rd मार्च। सीरियल नंबर है उधर 17 173 of 19।
173
ये चेंज हो जाएंगे, सीएम पटेल ऊपर आ जाएंगे, बीसी ठक्कर नीचे आ जाएंगे।
हाँ 173 सीएम पटेल।
ये नीचे कॉपी कर लो। ठीक, बस।
वकील जी एनके पटेल,
And both the matter 5th March. Come prepared on that.
वकील जी एसएन गढ़वी,
Yes. 99 of 2019.
No, public ground. Opens.
Yes.
So we have to.
What is the suit about?
હીરો મુક્તિનો દાવો એમણે કર્યો. એ હીરો મુક્તિનો દાવો સાહેબ નામદાર લોઅર કોર્ટે મંજૂર કર્યો. જોડે જોડે મેં એક્ઝિબિટ 26 થી કાઉન્ટર ક્લેમ કર્યો. એ કાઉન્ટર ક્લેમ અંગે કોઈ હુકમ ના થાય. હવે સાહેબ
Preliminary decree was passed.
ના 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 સર ફાઇનલ ડિગ્રી.
Directly final or first preliminary decree?
થઈ ગયું.
First preliminary, then final.
ના ડાયરેક્ટ ફાઇનલ જ થઈ ગયું. મારો કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ ક્લેમ એવો હતો સાહેબ કે એમણે મને ગીરોની રકમ ચૂકવી નહીં ત્યાં સુધી એ છોડાવવા માટે હકદાર નહીં. અને ગીરોમાં એવું સ્પષ્ટતા કરેલી છે, ગીરો કરાર રજૂ થયો છે એમાં એવું સ્પષ્ટતા છે કે જો 6 મહિનાની અંદર તમે ગીરો પરત ના છોડાવો તો તમારે મને એનો દસ્તાવેજ કરી આપવાનો છે. એટલે મેં દસ્તાવેજ કરાવી લેવાનો અને છોડાઈ ના કે બેનો દાવો કાઉન્ટર ક્લેમ કર્યો છે. પણ કાઉન્ટર ક્લેમ અંગે કોઈ હુકમ ના થયો સાહેબ.
Mr. SN Gadvi,
वकील जी एसएन गढ़वी,
CPC final. नहीं है गढ़वी, मिस्टर गढ़वी नहीं है आज। ऑर्डर 34 पढ़ के आना बता। Is not present. In the interest of justice, adjourned. 24th of April. Yes.
वकील जी एमएन सुधार, वकील जी एनबी चौहान,
RCA 132 of 19.
None of this.
Okay. Anand. In the interest of justice, adjourn to. Adjourn to 24th April.
वकील श्री अजन सोनी, वकील श्री BR शाह,
પાર્ટી અલગ છે પણ બંને વકીલો સમજાવે છે 21 નંબર છે બંનેમાં રિટર્ન આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે ઓરલ માટે
Written argument is.
જે એક છે આપ સાહેબને કહું છું આપ સાહેબ જ્યારે કહેશો ત્યારે હું એકચ્યુઅલ બેંકના એડવોકેટ્સ કેટલાકથી આવે છે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ નાખીને નથી આવી શક્યા
Recovery suit. This is
બંને
recovery suit.
રિકવરી સૂટ હતા એક મારો મંજૂર થયેલો છે એક ના મંજૂર થયેલો. આ જે પહેલું છે ના મંજૂર મંજૂર થયેલો છે એની સામે હમણાં અપીલ કરેલી
Recovery on what ground?
બેંકની જ રિકવરી
Bank.
લોન લીધેલી છે લોનની એમાં કંઈક ફ્રોડનું છે સાહેબ એનું મોટું
Which type of loan facility?
હોમ લોન
Home loan. What about the status of mortgage property?
એમાં થર્ડ પાર્ટીને વિષય છે એવું સાહેબ આવેલું છે એને પાર્ટીને નોટિસ બી કરેલી છે પણ કોઈ હાજર થઈ નથી
What is the amount of loan?
બહુ મોટી રકમ નહીં હોય 4 કે 5 લાખ હશે 10 લાખ પણ શ્યોર નથી
Okay. ये क्या है? CD? CD है? सील का बंद. ये 1 Rule 10 की अर्जी पे क्या हुआ? एप्लीकेशन इज पेंडिंग. 1 Rule 10
પક્ષકાર જોડવાની હતી હુકમ થઈ ગયો છે
क्या हुआ इसमें?
એમાં પક્ષકાર જોડી દીધેલા છે પછી કોઈ હાજર નથી થયેલું એટલે સીધું પછી સુનાવણી માટે અને તમને
અરજીમાં જણાવેલ પક્ષકારોને રિસ્પોન્ડન્ટ તરીકે જોડવાનો હુકમ કરવામાં આવે છે.
એને જોડી દીધા નવી સુધારેલ
They are
કામગીરી
subsequent purchaser? Those who have been added? Oh. Whether bank has taken any action under securitization act or not? $742,000 and all. Mortgage of the property was created or not?
પણ પહેલા સાહેબ પેલું સાદું મોર્ગેજ હતું રજીસ્ટર મોર્ગેજ
When mortgage was created?
લોન લીધી એક સમય પર એક્ઝેક્ટલી
Year. I am asking about year.
કીધું ને આ 2000
That time the equitable mortgage required to be registered in Anand. Yeah.
એ સમયે જરૂરી નતું અને એને મોર્ગેજ કરીને એના ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ બેંક કોર્ટની પાસે રાખી
Then
એવું કન્વિન્સ કરી આપ સાહેબ અને બેંકના એડવોકેટ એકચ્યુઅલ પેટાથી આવે છે પણ અહીંયા સાથે છું એટલે સાહેબ
corporation bank.
હાજી સાહેબ
Present so and so. Mr. H.M. Son.
હારીસ પારેખ
Mr.
અત્યારે એજન્સી સાહેબ હારીસ પારેખ
Mr. R.S. Parekh.
હારીસ પારેખ
Mr. B.R. Sir. Requested them to. बोलो कब आएंगे?
સાહેબ આવે છે
इशू वाइज आर्ग्यूमेंट करने हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि ऑर्डर इज इलीगल और ये order is of nullity, evidence is not appreciated. ठीक है, issue wise, this is issue, this is pleadings, this is oral argument, this is documentary argument, this is law. That's all. Right. Which one is also connected?
21 number. 21 number.
Okay.
47 only same.
कब के लिए रखें बोलो?
जब आपको
मुझे तो आज भी ठीक है.
नहीं वहाँ नहीं करेंगे.
तो that's why I.
15 मार्च के बाद जो भी
Okay. 24th of April. 24. Another is serial number
21.
21. Same copy कर लो.
अब खाली मेनू बदला सकता है.
हाँ,
मिनट ने
चलो. ये कॉपी कर.
247 ऑब्लिक 19. रिस्पोंडेंट में आरएस परमार पारेख. પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી. એમએચ પંડ્યા છે.
नहीं,
તમે છો જી બીઆર સાથે.
Mr. Pierce. Next.
વકીલ સી આર પટેલ. વકીલ સી પીએમ ઝાલા.
RCA 184 of 2019. ये रिटर्न में तो आपकी में कुछ नहीं है. अपील मीमो बस उसमें टाइटल चेंज होता है रिटर्न आर्ग्यूमेंट का.
हाँ 144
हाँ.
ऑब्लिक 19.
कोई. ओ, मिस
रिस्पोंडेंट
मिसेस आर AR पटेल. None for respondent. None for respondent. In the interest of justice, in the interest of justice, adjourned to 24th April.
રવિશા. वकील सी बीपी दीवान. वकील सी बीआर शाह. मैं शायद इनका बोलना ऐसा है कोई अपोनेंट एक्सपायर हो गया है शायद.
बुला के चौकस कर लो. ऑर्डर 22 रूल 10 में वकील की जिम्मेवारी भी डाल दी है लेजिस्लेचर ने.
मैंने बोला है ना,
हाँ.
सही बात है. બંને પ્રતિવાદી એટલે રિસ્પોન્ડન્ટ બંને એક્સપાયર થઈ ગયેલા છે. નંબર 2 ના તો મેં ભારતદાર બી ડિક્લેર કર્યા, નામદાર કોર્ટે કહ્યું હતું કે મેં ડિક્લેર બી કરી દીધેલા છે ઘણા સમય પહેલા.
तो इट हैज अवेटेड
5 વર્ષ થાય.
है. फिर तो 5 वर्ष बाद कहाँ वो सर्वाइव करेगी.
तो मैं वो
है ऑर्डर 22 रूल 3 and 4.
से वो है ना जो एप्लीकेंट है ना सर्विस वो अहमदाबाद में हुआ है फिर शायद उसके लिए
कुछ भी हो सर, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी हो, इट डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. लॉ इज लॉ.
मैं चौकस कर लूंगा सर.
देख लो आप. चौकस नहीं कर लो. 5 साल हो गए. अब देखो उसमें क्या करना है आपको.
ये तो बराबर है.
अबेटमेंट का ऑर्डर करने की जरूरत नहीं.
एप्लीकेशन दे देता हूं वैसे.
इट इज ऑटोमेटिक. अबेटमेंट इज ऑटोमेटिक. नो ऑर्डर इज रिक्वायर्ड आफ्टर 90 days.
लो एप्लीकेशन का
वकील साहब एप्लीकेशन तो सुन ली, 5 साल हो गए एक्सपायर हुए, उसके तो नहीं लोगे आप एक्शन?
मैं तो ऑफिस कर लो, नहीं तो बोला कि
ये रिकॉर्ड पे इन्होंने दिया हुआ है, डिक्लेयर किया हुआ है रिकॉर्ड पे। यू आर नॉट बिलीविंग द वर्जन ऑफ अपोजिट काउंसिल। लिखना। learned counsel, you are for appellant?
नहीं appellant.
Okay.
Number 2.
Okay. Learned counsel for the respondent. One के लिए कौन है? You are for 2. None for 1. Expired. 1 also expired. Okay. None for respondent number 1. Learned counsel for आगे। हाँ, इसके नीचे प्रेजेंस के बाद learned counsel for respondent number 2 submitted that both the respondents have expired long back. हाँ, ये PIR expired long back.
21.
Full stop. Full stop. Long back. Long where नहीं, long back. Back. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellant. Takes time for verifying the same. Verifying the same. स्पेलिंग ठीक करो, वेरीफाइंग YIN वेरीफाइंग Y आएगा, पहले ही निकल जाएगी, Y से पहले ही निकाल। वेरीफाइंग द सेम, फुल स्टॉप। He has filed an application. Vide Exhibit 21. Exhibit 21 for seeking adjournment. Full stop. Adjournment is granted. वकील साहब वेरीफाई कर लेना, नहीं नेक्स्ट डेट पे अबेट हो जाएगी अपील।
लंबी तारीख को रहते हैं
अहमदाबाद 60 किलोमीटर दूर है केवल।
उनको सर्विस ऐसी है, मैं बाहर जा सकता है वो उसमें सीधी
मोबाइल नंबर नहीं है? लंबी नहीं मिलेगी वकील साहब, कितनी लंबी चाहिए? उससे लंबी तो मैं वैसे ही दे रहा हूँ। ठीक है, उससे भी लंबी देते हैं हम।
अच्छा
24/4।
24
ठीक है, वेरीफाई कर लेना।
तो हमारा रमजान महीना भी और निकलता है।
ठीक है, बस तो आप पूरी तैयारी करके आना उसके बाद। हाँ ठीक।
शुक्रवार तो नहीं, 24 तारीख ना वकील सी एम चौहान, वकील सी BM पुरोहित।
नेक्स्ट 196 ऑफ 2019 बोलो। ओरल आर्ग्यूमेंट कर लेना वकील साहब, ठीक। यू आर फॉर अपीलेंट और रेस्पोंडेंट? लिखना है।
તમારી initial શું છે? SS પરમાર.
None for appellant. Mr. S.S. Parmar, learned counsel for respondents. Respondents. In the interest of justice, adjourned to 24th of April. Yes. Next,
વકીલ ટી આઈ પટેલ.
application for joining legal aids.
વકીલ બીડી પરમાર. 53.
ભારત જોડવાની અરજી ભજવા માટે એવું મને ફોન કરી.
એ નહીં સર.
हम्म?
એ છે, એ આપણી.
देखो किस किस की सर्विस हुई है उसमें।
એક 8, 13 અને 14
हम्म,
એ ગુજરી ગયા છે અને ખુરશી સાથે અમને રજૂ કરી છે અને રિસ્પોન્ડન્ટ નંબર 1 ના વારસો તરફે વકીલ શ્રી બીડી પરમારને રિપ્લી આવી છે.
तो व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स जो गुजरे के,
હવે
जो बाकी गुजरे उनका क्या?
जो रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 1, 2 और 3
हम्म,
इसके ऐसा एड्रेस दिया है लेकिन पर सिर्फ नाम नहीं दिया है
कौन
उसके साथ कोई एफिडेविट
रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 8 है फिर
डिक्लेयर किया है सर.
अपीलेंट की तरफ से कौन? आप
एफिडेविट के डेट दिया है.
ये
नॉट अवेलेबल,
तो नहीं
आप उनकी तरफ से हो रहे हैं?
नहीं मुझे अभी बोला मेरी वो चले गए काम था इसलिए।
आप रेस्पोंडेंट के लिए अपीलेंट की तरफ से
पहले-
हैं?
पहले-
हाँ तो फिर ये बोलो ना। अब आप इसे देख लो, इसमें 1, 8, 13 and 14 the process has been filed by Mr. B.D. Parmar, right? That they have expired, and this was filed on 8th November 2024. So what is the consequence after 19 days, 90 days? बताओ ना, order 22 पढ़ के। अबेट फिर उसके बाद ऑर्डर लिखो, उसका ऑर्डर की भी जरूरत नहीं, ऑटोमेटिक अबेटमेंट है उसी के। और सर्टिफिकेट भी लगा हुआ है, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट।
जैसे आप इधर से
लिखना है मिस्टर, वकील साहब का नाम लिखना। Learning advocate for the appellant, none for respondent। फिर इन्होंने कोई एप्लीकेशन फाइल की है किसी की LR रिकॉर्ड पे लेने की?
नहीं
नहीं, ये 14 का किया है। 14 Yeah. 14. Written perusal of the record transfers that transfers transpire नहीं transfer record transfer S निकाल that the respondent number 1 8 13 and 14 have expired, comma, as declared by the learned counsel for the respondent, as ASA declared by the learned counsel for the respondents by courses dated 8 November 2024 at Exhibit 22. The full stop. The death certificates have also been placed on record. Placed on record with a list of documents इसी के कंटिन्यूएशन में था list of documents at Exhibit 23 full stop. The appellant has not taken any step to bring the legal representatives of the deceased respondents, legal representatives. गलत है इसमें जहाँ ये हाँ representatives ई की जगह ए हाँ of the deceased CE DECEASED deceased respondents full stop. The period of more than 90 days 90 days has already been elapsed. 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 SED. E भाई elapsed बोला, लेफ्ट में elapsed. E. अब आपने L. बस ठीक. फुल स्टॉप. Learned counsel for the appellant. Seeks time to take appropriate steps full stop. Last opportunity is granted to the appellant to take necessary steps as per law. Necessary की स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लो. बोलो कब की डेट रखते हैं. At his request, comma, the matter is adjourned to 22nd April. Second April. 22. Yeah.
વકીલ એન્ડી વાળન વકીલ એચપી દવે
वकील साहब रिकॉर्ड इंस्पेक्ट कर लो, नेसेसरी स्टेप ले लो. यस. नेक्स्ट. क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शंस. अपील में किस चीज का जवाब होता है? कुछ भी मतलब उसमें. You are for appellant. Who is for respondent? Okay. ND1, Mr. इनका नाम देख लो. Learned counsel for respondent at the joint 24th April. बस. पहले में 22 है. Yes. Ours.
Serial number 15, RCA number 132/19.
serial number 15%. 132/90.
Yes. 20. हाँ, इसमें आर्ग्यूमेंट की तैयारी करके आ जाना नेक्स्ट डेट पे.
I have already, I am not say, I have already argued in the previous of Sir, Gohil sir, thereafter better adjourn for further arguments.
If I pass the order on that. Fifteen. For cancellation of NBW. For cancellation of NBW. Full stop. He has also filed an application. Application forces. Forces. that the matter is likely to be settled. Forces has filed the Forces with Exhibit 16. Has filed a Forces. He has also, अब has आपने कई जगह कर दिया. He has also filed. इससे पहला has निकालो. Filed a Forces with Exhibit 16. Comma thereby declaring that the matter has been settled, declaring that the matter has been settled between the parties, and the settlement amount would be paid, WOULD, would be paid within a week, full stop, in view of the factum of compromise. Factum. एक मिनट भाई, factum ना factum, TUM of compromise, comma, the NBW is hereby cancelled and cancelled, full stop, cancelled, full stop. Now to come upon fifth March for status of compromise. 5th March for status of compromise. Code list.
Serial number 18.
Yeah, yeah. बोलो आपको क्या हुआ, विड्रॉ करना था वो?
सर
हाँ।
हाई कोर्ट से हमारे एडवोकेट से बात हुई थी
हाँ
और उन्होंने कहा कि अभी तो आप अंडर कोर्ट को ऑर्डर करेंगे.
तो दोस्त प्यार से बताएं, आपको समझ में नहीं आती. CRPC में मुझे प्रोविजन बताओ रिव्यू का. 362. ठीक है. एज ऑन टुडे क्या पोजीशन? कैन आई रिव्यू द ऑर्डर? आप मुझे एक जजमेंट KT मैथ्यू के अलावा ला के दिखा दो. क्लरिकल एंड अर्थमेटिकल तो मैं करेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, उसके अलावा मैं नहीं कर सकता.
सर अभी क्या है, टाइम भी कम है और
So this is very convenient to approach this court in place of High Court.
काफी जल्दी.
The marriage cannot change the law. बोलो क्या करना है? एक ऑर्डर पास हुआ,